Hey everyone, I'm Dr. B. And here's a problem that I run into all the time. Parents say to me, I want to raise resilient kids. But then as soon as their child faces a challenge, boom, they jump in and they rescue because they don't want them to feel failure or a challenge or anxiety. And I get it. You're loving, you're protective, and you just don't want to see your child fail or be hurt. But this is the part of parenting, for resilience especially, that parents were never taught. And that is that resilience grows out of the ability to overcome adversity. Now, sometimes adversity turns into trauma and it's too big to overcome alone. But there's so many challenges that children face that they can overcome on their own. So we give the opportunity to children to face those challenges without having to get rescued by their parents. So resilience comes from resolving something rather than from being rescued from it. We do this with support, not saving. Here's how I think about solving this problem. Resilience isn't about being tough or stricter. It's about knowing when to step in and when to step back. Most parents don't need more effort. What they need is clarity. Here's how to work with me if you want some help with this. I'm hosting a 90-minute Zoom call where we'll solve one real parenting problem together. What we're going to learn is how to help your child face disappointment, handle failure, and to move through a difficult situation and realize that they can come out whole on the other side, and probably stronger and smarter as well. This isn't a lecture. This is a real situation, and we're going to go through it step by step, skill by skill, so that you can then take it and apply it to other situations that you face with your children. If you want to raise resilient kids and you're ready to stop guessing about what to do in real moments, the Zoom link is below. I'd love to work with you. Okay, I hope to see you real soon.